Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act quickly. First, confirm Waze has location permission and your phone's GPS is enabled. Force close Waze, then reopen it to refresh the app's hardware handshake. Once done, toggle location off and on so the system requires sensors. Make sure you switch the location mode to high accuracy or GPS only depending on Android or iPhone settings. This reduces confusion between Wi-Fi, cell towers, and the GPS chipset, improving Waze's ability to get a fix. If basic steps fail, clear Waze cache and only if necessary, app data to reset corrupt files. This forces fresh map and position downloads. You should check for OS and Waze updates because firmware bugs often break GPS handling. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds then off to reset radios, then open Waze and allow a minute for satellites. Also try an external GPS app to confirm hardware. If the external app shows a fix, the problem is app configuration, not the chipset. Finish by reinstalling Waze only after backups. That ensures a clean install of components. Calibrate your phone's compass and keep the device with a clear view of the sky. Metal cases or car windshields can block signals. Once reinstalled, grant permissions when prompted and let Waze map your position undisturbed for 60 seconds. If you still lack a GPS connection, test another navigation app to isolate whether the issue is Waze-specific. This single test points you to either app or device repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.